Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And yes guys, I'm out back. Can you hear the bird chirping? There it is. I just love them. I think they have a nest up there, Amir, or something. Now guys, I'm gonna make some ponytail hair and I'm gonna crochet it in. And guys, I got 2 packs of hair. This is 1 pack here, and they're like this. They are like the Jamaican, the Jamaican bounce jumpy curls, jumbo curls, and I got them from AliExpress. I paid like $15 something for 3 in a pack. And guys, the things you're gonna need, you need 1 of this. I got it from AliExpress. I will leave the link to all the pieces that I got. All right, you need a crochet needle, you need some pins for your mannequin head, and you need 2 little pieces of comb because you're going to put 1 here and 1 there. You need your needle and thread because you need to sew them in, right? And that's the other side. You don't want this side, all right? So you want to do it like this, and I'm going to set it right here, guys. You want to put some pins in it. You're going to start right here. Take up some like that, open, slide, close, pull in, and then guys, what I'm gonna do, instead of bringing both of them in, I'm just gonna bring 1 because it's thick, right? And when you hold this, guys, it won't move. Can you see that? Won't go anywhere. And then you do them like this, and if later, you can go ahead and you can open them to how you want. And you want to do them a little bit spacey, all right guys, because they're really full. And you want to come up like a little bit further, like about so. And you want to continue until everything is completely filled. So guys, I have 2 left. So this is a pack, and about 4 to 6 I use from the next one, and I have 2 left, and I'm just gonna put it right here, guys. It's super full. You don't have to use more than a pack, okay guys? A pack is good. And the last one I'm gonna put right here. You can wear it like this, all right guys? You can clip it up and you can wear it like this. But however, if you want, you can just go in And what you can do, you can separate the curls to make it look more natural, right? Can you see that, guys? So you want to go, and you don't have to separate all of them. You can just separate some. All right, guys. So you just want to hold it like this. You want to part it. You can wheel it back if you want. All right. So you can just separate some of them, and you can go on in and you can clip it up how you want it. So when I put it on my head, I'll see how it looks, and maybe I go on in and I will separate some down at the bottom. So that's it, guys. Yay. All right, I'm gonna go ahead now. I'm gonna try it on and I'm gonna show you. See you later. Hi my peeps, welcome back. Or this is the second part of the video. All right, I did my brows, they're on fleek. I didn't put any foundation on, guys. Can you see the discoloration, the pimple mark? See, I did put a little highlight, you know. I catch my hair up. We're gonna get straight into this part. Fix that part there. Make that show. All right, that's not too bad. So guys, I went ahead and I catch my hair up just in a little ponytail, all right, because we have to show off the ponytail that I made. All right, so we're gonna get, why my ears so shine? Boy, my ears shine. So guys, look at this, guys. I think I can go in business now, guys. Look at this. I know Sister D always said, girl, make the wig and I'll buy the first one. But anyhow, look at it, guys. It's even better than buying it at the store because it's really, really fluffy. I separate most of them, but not all of them. And this is it, guys. Look at it. And this is the inside. I put one comb right here at the front. So I can show you one right here. And then at the back I put another, and you just sew it in. All right, so that's it. All right, and you can open it as bigger or you can close it. All right, let's put it on. Too much long talking. Ooh, I love it. And then you're gonna pull the string to how tight you want it. I don't like mine too tight, but I don't want it to fall off. And you want to wrap it the same way. Go around with the string until you can't find it, or you can use a pin and pin it. But I think that's good. It won't go anywhere. So that's it right there. Can you see it, guys? And you can clip it up. All the long ones, guys, you want to put them up. I see some more. I don't have too much to cut off of it, guys. So guys, see? Let me turn it around, okay? Yeah, I love it. Yeah, I don't think I have to do anything else to it, guys. You can wear it on either side, all right? You can wear it on this side if you like, guys. Let me show you. You can do like a half thing. And you can wear it something like so. I'm gonna turn around and show you. All right, guys, so basically you can wear it to the side. I like it like that, guys. It's super pretty. All right, and then I'm going to show you another way, which I might wear it this way most of the time. So I'm going to do it back like this, you know. And then I'm going to grab my clip. You can use anything of your choice. And then I'm just going to pin it. Alright guys, I'm going to use a little bit of my edge control. I put a little bit out already, but I don't know where it went, guys. I'm going to try to fix my baby here a little bit. This is the final result. I'm super in love with it. It looks super cute. You can put whatever you want. You could even put a scarf and make a bow. You can do whatever you want, guys. You can wear it higher. You can even, I'll do part 2 where I will catch my hair in the back and use it as a low ponytail for you guys. All right, so this is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. All right guys, you have a wonderful day. Bye guys.